Welcome to you all in my math channel, Experience Math. So I will teach you today rotation using coordinates, rotation about origin. So make sure that you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start today's class. Rotation about origin O through positive 90 degree. So rotation about origin O through positive 90 degree means it is rotation about origin in anti-clockwise direction through an angle 90 degree. So I am teaching rotation about origin O through positive 90 degree using coordinates. Using coordinates. Okay, so using coordinates, we use formula to find out rotation of any object about origin O through positive 90 degree. And in this case, coordinates will be given and we will rotate the object about origin through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So now get the formula for the rotation about origin O through positive 90 degree. So here object, and in one side I write image. So object point is pxy. Pxy is the object point and its image is p dash. Okay, so to get image after rotation through positive 90 degree, rotation of positive plus v, positive 90 degree about origin O. Okay, so to rotate this object pxy, object point pxy about origin O through positive 90 degree, we have one formula. So before writing formula, I will teach you one technique to remember formula. So suppose x and y are two shopkeepers. So this y has shop in village and x has shop in the city center. Okay, so y wants to establish shop in the place of x. So y has to give money to x to start business, to leave the place of x. So y will have to give a lot of money. He has to take loan from others, and so his property will be negative. So as it is the anti-clockwise rotation, positive means it is anti-clockwise rotation. It is anti-clockwise rotation. So imagine of rotation of this y in anti-clockwise direction. So y rotates in anti-clockwise direction. That means y goes to x space. Y is the businessman. He has to give a lot of money to x to establish the shop in the place of x. So y's property will be negative. So it will be minus y. Y's property will be negative, so y will be minus. But y's shop is in village and when this x goes in y's place, so in this vacant place x doesn't have to give any money to vacant this y's place, so x will have lot of property, so x is positive. Okay, so if you use this technique to remember, then you will never forget this formula. Okay, so I will revise it once again. So y is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. Imagine y is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So when it is shifted to x place, its sign changes and becomes negative, and this x has to shift because of y, so its sign does not change. So this is the formula for the rotation of positive 90 degree about origin O. Similarly, we have another object point P, X, Y point. So here we will rotate this rotation of negative 90 degree about origin O. So here we'll rotate this point through 90 degree, negative means in clockwise direction, about the origin O. In this case, you think of rotating this x in clockwise direction, exactly in the same way like before. Think that x is one shopkeeper, y is another shopkeeper. X has shop in the village and y has shop in the city area, busy area, where he can do business much. So when x asks y to leave his place, x has to give lot of money to y. So x has to take loan from others, so his property will be mainly from the loan, so x property will be negative. So here in y place x goes, but its property is negative, so minus x, and y just shifts to x place, getting lot of money, so y is positive. So this is the formula for the rotation of negative 90 degree about origin O. Okay, in this way we can remember both of these formula, and so just by using these two formula we can derive other formula of rotation of 100 degree about the origin. So how to derive that, look at here. Okay, so again I would like to request you to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. It will encourage me to make same type of videos in the next in coming days also. So now next point is pxy, and we have to rotate this through 180 degree. So for that, first of all we will rotate this rotation of plus 90 degree about O. First of all we rotate this through 90 degree, plus means in anti-clockwise direction, about the origin O, and the formula is like in one number, and so its image becomes minus y x, and again we will rotate this rotation of plus 90 degree about origin O. So again we will rotate this through positive 90 degree. 90 plus 90, it is 180. So it becomes minus x minus y. So the direct formula to get rotation of point pxy about the origin O through 180 degree is minus x minus y. It is rotation of plus 100 degree about O. Okay, rotation of plus 100 degree about the origin O. Direct formula is xy changes to minus x and minus y. This is the direct formula to get image of point pxy when it is rotated about the origin O through 100 degree. So for 100 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise, it is same. Look at here. So from it is origin O. So if you rotate any point in anti-clockwise direction, you reach in this place, and if you rotate this point in clockwise direction through 100 degree, also you reach to the same place. So for rotation of 100 degree about the origin O, it is not necessary to say clockwise or anti-clockwise. We simply can say 100 degree about the origin, and it is also called 100 degree rotation is also known as half turn. It is also known as half turn, and this rotation of 90 degree is also known as quarter turn. Okay, it is positive quarter turn about the origin, and it is negative quarter turn about the origin O. So this is called the quarter turn, positive quarter turn about the origin O. It is negative quarter turn about the origin O, and it is known as half turn about the origin O. And next thing is that here positive 90 degree. So from here, if you rotate through an angle in anti-clockwise direction plus 90, so plus 90 is same as minus 270. So clockwise 90 once, clockwise 90 twice, clockwise 93 thrice. So 93 is a 270 degree. So plus 90 degree is same as minus 270. So rotation of positive 90 degree or minus 270 degree is same. Similarly, rotation of negative 90 degree or positive 270 degree plus 270 degree, that is same. Look at here how it is same. So suppose from this place we go in clockwise direction, so minus 90 degree. So from this place if you rotate, this is 91, 90, 90 twice, 90 thrice. So you reach to the same place. So it is plus 270 degree in this side, and from starting from here it is clockwise 90 degree. So from this both we will reach to the same place. So positive 90 or minus 270 is same, and negative 90 or positive 270 degree is same. Okay, in this way we have mainly three formula for the rotation of 90 degree about the origin O. Now look at one example. We have to find the image of P6 comma minus 3 when it is rotated about the origin through positive 90 degree, negative 90 degree and 180 degree respectively. Okay, so here I have written positive. Positive meaning is anti-clockwise rotation, negative meaning is clockwise rotation, and 100 degree positive or negative is same thing, so I have not mentioned anything here. So look at here how to find out the image. I have already explained the formula for rotations about the origin O. Here point is P6 comma minus 3, and the rotation is rotation of plus 90 degree about origin. Okay, about the origin. So I have already given you the technique. So if you have to rotate about the origin through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, imagine rotating in anti-clockwise direction. No need to write formula. You can just imagine rotating this. You can make arrow like this, and it will be easier for you to find out image P dash. So minus 3, when it goes in this place, sign changes and becomes plus 3, and simply it shifts here without changing its sign. So this P dash 36 is the image of point P6 minus 3 when it is rotated about origin through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, there is another point, the same point 6 minus 3. Now in this case we will rotate this through 90 degree in clockwise direction about the origin O. Rotation of negative 90 degree in clockwise direction about origin. Okay, we will rotate this point through 90 degree in clockwise direction about the origin O. So in this case also, like before, we will rotate it in clockwise direction. So imagine rotating in clockwise direction. Okay, you can make arrow in that way, and when it shifts in clockwise direction, which number shifts, that sign changes. So this 6 sign changes, and this minus 3 simply goes here without changing its sign. So its image is minus 3 minus 6. So 6 goes in this place, which shifts, their sign changes, and which is displaced, this minus 3 is displaced here, so its sign does not change. Okay, simply which shifts, which rotates, that sign changes, and which simply shifts, that sign does not change. And I have already taught you the technique to remember the formula. You can keep that technique in mind so that it will not be forgotten at any time. Anytime you can recall the formula using that technique. No need to remember by heart. Okay, so within 1 or 2 minutes you become able to remember the formula which I have, which technique I have already mentioned. So now again we will now rotation of 180 degree about the origin O. Okay, we will rotate this point 6 minus 3 through 100 degree about the origin O. Okay, so I have already explained that for 100 degree rotation about the origin O, both sign changes. XY image is minus x minus y. Okay, if it becomes difficult for you to remember the formula of this minus x minus y, if you forgot sometimes in exam time, just by remembering this formula and rotation of 90 degree twice also gives you the same result. So its image will be minus 6 minus times minus 3, that will be plus 3. In this way, we became able to find out the image of any point when it is rotated through 90 degree about the origin, and image of any point when it is rotated through 100 degree about the origin. So using the technique to remember the formula which I have given, it will be quite easy to remember the formula. Okay, so my students have found this technique very useful when I teach in class. So I hope that all of you find this technique helpful. And at last, once again, I also ask you to subscribe my channel and press the like button, and also share it. It will encourage me to make similar videos like this in the. So if you have any comment, you can write in the comment in the chat box, and if you want any videos related to any topics, you can write in your chat box, and I will try to make the videos you asked in the coming days. Thank you.